Today we are working on Jasper Active Lesson 4, the 6th lesson within Lesson 4, inserting merge fields. So this is what you should have open, and step 1 says to create a new blank document. So click File, New, Blank Document. Then click the Mailings tab. In the Start Mail Merge group, click Start Mail Merge. Then click Labels. The Label Options dialog box is going to open. In the Label Information area, display the Label Vendors drop-down list, and you want to select Avery US Letter. And then in the Product Number list box, click 5390 Name Badges Insert Refills. They have a bunch. 5390. Name badges insert refills, and then click OK, and that will create the mailing labeled document. So mark this as answered. Go to step 2. On the Mailings tab in the Start Mail Merge group, click Select Recipients, and then use an existing list, and that will open the Select Source dialog box. Navigate to your Jasper Active resources wherever you've got those saved. Go to your resource files, then double click on Travel Directors. The label document should now appear as shown here, which it should be next record and so on for the forth, which you see mine is. You can now set up the labels to show information from the fields you used in the list. So mark as answered. Go to the third step. With the cursor in the first cell of the table for labels, so click right here, so your cursor is right there. On the Mailings tab in the Write and Insert Fields group, click Address Block, so click right here. The Insert Address Box dialog box opens. Click OK to accept all defaults. The labels are not yet complete. So far you've entered the information only for the first label. For Word to continue adding names using the same document needs to propagate or update all the labels on the sheet to display the same information. So on the Mailings tab in the Write and Insert Fields group, click Update Labels. Your label form should appear similar. On the Mailings tab in the Preview Results, click Preview Results. You see that you should have Nick Clausen, Madison Cowell, so on and so forth, which you see that we do. Click Preview Results again to return to the codes. Select the address block item in the first cell, including the opening and closing angle brackets. So we're going to select all of this. Make sure we get all of it selected. Click Home, and in the font group we're going to change the font size to 20. Click Bold. Change the font to Arial. And font color of your choice, I'm going to make it blue. So you should see everything. If yours isn't changing everything here, you didn't select it all. In the paragraph group, click Center. So right here centers it. Click the Mailings tab. And in the Write and Insert Fields group, click Update Labels. So right here we're going to click Update Labels. All the labels should now appear with the same formatting options applied for the first cell. On the Mailings tab in the Preview Results group, click Preview Results. And you can see that this is how they would print. So let's mark this as answered and go to the next. Suppose you want to print the name badges in alphabetical order, first by city and then by last name. On the Mailings tab in the Start Mail Merge group, click Edit Recipient List. That opens the mail merge recipients dialog box. In the refine recipient list section, right here, is this section, refine recipient list. Click sort, and that's going to open the sort records tab of the filter and sort dialog box. Display the sort by, and then click city. Display the first then by. Select last name. So this is what you should have. City, last name, ascending, ascending. So you see we've done that correctly. Click OK twice to apply the sort. And that will close the dialog box. The labels now display in order by city and then by last name. You see that Jamie Gibson, Cape Town is the first one. Alright, so let's mark this as answered and submit it. Hopefully we will show 4 green checks, and you see that we do. So if you didn't do everything correctly, you can go back and fix things that you have, and this completes inserting merge fields.